Okay, 3.8, what is the output if x equal to 3 and y equal to 4? So let's have a look at here. Okay, we have if and then else here. So if this condition is true, then we are going to be here. If the condition is false, then we are going to be here. Okay, so let's make it clear. The curly brackets are not quite correct. So as you can see, this one match with the last one, this one actually match with this. So if I indent it, looks like this one. Okay, so else doesn't have curly brackets. To make it simpler, we add it. Okay, so it will be less confusing. Okay, so this is open and close and open and close. Okay, make it more readable. Okay, I change x is 3 and y is 4. So here, okay, x is 3, 3 is greater than 2, which is true. Y is 4, 4 is greater than 2. So here, true. So we are going to be inside, okay, this 2. So that will be 3 plus 4. Okay, we are talking about 7. So here is 7 that will be printed. That's it. Let's try. Okay, that is 7. That's all. Thank you.